Okay, so in this box right here, it tells us that the radicand b squared minus 4ac is what we call the discriminant. So that's your formula for your discriminant. Now the discriminant tells us how many solutions a quadratic equation is going to have. So a quadratic equation that has a positive discriminant is going to have two solutions. A discriminant that is equal to 0 is going to have one solution, and a discriminant with negative discriminant is going to have no solutions. And that's actually going to be, the solutions are actually going to be imaginary. And we'll make sure, once we get into solving with the quadratic formula, this will make a little bit more sense. But for now, that's what you need to know, is how many solutions the discriminant tells you that it is. So based on that, come down here and say, let's do numbers, let's do C. Now, if you notice, it's equal to 0, but we're missing a number there. We're missing a number in front of x. So if we're missing that number, we know that our A is 7. Now our B is the one that we are missing, so we're just going to put a 0. And our C is equal to 11. So based on that, we're going to have 0 squared minus 4 times 7 times 11. Now what that gives us is 0 minus, and 4 times 7 times 11 is equal to 308. So 0 minus 308 is equal to negative 308, and that would be our discriminant. So based on what we learned above, a negative discriminant means that we have 0 solutions, but we actually have 2 imaginary. So it's 0 real solutions, but we have 2 imaginary solutions.